In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life indicator on your Chevy Cruze. You're in the driver's seat. You're going to put your key in the ignition. You're going to turn in the on position. Do not start it. Now you're going to hit the menu button that's on your directional. Now you can cycle through until you get to the oil, which is right there. And now you're going to hit this button right here. It's a set or clear button. And as you do that, you're going to push your brake pedal at the same time. Are you sure you want to reset? You're going to scroll up and hit yes. Now you're at 100% oil life. Now that it's reset, you can remove your key.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.